824 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Noga niko kolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media chake tembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano y'iki kanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ikinyuro kinyomo inyangi rusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masije munaba munyi bitabo bari nubo munyi wiguro igeti byetebwate signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika enjumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakishimi gutira namba 0741499726.
Magaroba engi mwanchumo ligereria hanene ase Jumatano yo mweri kabisa yo mutenyi okabere andonsi aso tobwaterete ninde no kwegena nigo Jumatano yago yaberege koba entoera runo boigo endonge kero charagire chinsa ibere ase nchira yabene ngo kwaligania ase keunga chinsa ibere etunyare ko batogosanga mange ayo abereka gokorekana ase chinsemo egati yabo ogokora etaro ya matuka 3 ase bali bakwamireria serikali amona yanda mange hayuna kwaleganirie asobutuko bwalero. Karibu sana ase keunga chinsa ibere elio nkomanye ayagendete gokorekana korwa chinsemo Wilson Makori korugale asensemo yebimanyererio lera tokubaterana eliko ene kikwaya nyorire ase nchera yo wekeranu na ncheni gonkoru kwa Ruth Kemunto. Ekeunga jinsa ibere nigo togochaka limurioka ase okubwatana wa opposition eritukolia rero nigo gwakora etaro yabo bene asorogongo rwagusi ase baba bakolia chira chugo chikomorusia umugambyo bono muraibu wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto ase kerogo na boigo nigo balia chira chugo chikoibwana na komosokia omurwaniririo yomo kolenta ogotolia ochia asense ya Kenya ase yabereke uchandika kolengana na barabunonye nabo nigo abarayabu babere bagotababuna bachigokora okubwatana na boigo okuigwana elio komusukia Daktari Fred Matiang'i oyo kabaire omuwaziri w'obulendio bukoro anenasoe asekirogekyo elio gotolia ense ya Kenya. Umurikito Gilbert Kobi noroboti oruo asobwime.
Ababwatani abaria bakiombekeria gekurwania serikali y'Uburai wa Kenya kwanza yani United Opposition nigo yabeira asorgongo rwagusi asa matuka 3 bono litukolia mweri lyarengeri litukolia rero nigo bachakira umusangererukano bwa sense mo yogembo asabanya ko bagusanga n'abamenyi bense miyo gukurandia kwabo niko kwarenge ubobe buria serikali ya nyako bage gukorera abananchi na ankeria keriba bwato oshunya ko bakonya abananchi mono asogokeania ebango gocha koreto burayi buronge gokeania ubwiti bw'abantu abo bagotebekana goitwa n'abasigari nabe gochikorenta demokrasia igochikoreta obwasoku no burayi buronge.
Mambo hata kule kwetu ni one term. Tumekubaliana hapa mtakuwa nyuma ya Okengo Matiang'i na nyuma ya serikali ijayo United Opposition. Hiyo ndio tumekubaliana, na tukubaliane Kasongo ni one term. Igo. Asanteni.
Umugo konunya ko bogo sansa murabange ase chinsemo au bari konya ko bago tenena asa bari konya ko bakomoko boko Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase konya ko bakwirurukia ebandere ya United Opposition. Abarayi bande boigo mborokyo kugokigwa kwabo aso kumusira chintunde chitari eyemo nabo igo gocha kunyara ko bakomonia ase chingongo inye chinse ya Kenya.
Nataka niongeze wasichana wawili, nikisema Wiper sema komboa Kenya. Wiper. Nikisema Jubilee sema mbele pamoja. Jubilee. Sisi ni United Alternative Government. Hii ni serikali ambayo tayari inangojea kuapishwa, ama sivyo?
One term. Hebu nione one term.
Hai Makuzo hai. Mimi mnajua ni mtu ya DCB. Chama ya kufanya nini? Hapa Muguga mnasemaje? Ati mnasemaje? Hapa ni one term. Wacha nione Harambee. Wewe Ruto. Wewe Kasongo. Wewe Kaongo. Wewe Zakayo. Wewe Mwizi. Kasongo asiende. Tumekuja hapa
mbagenda wika asensemo ya mugonga swanya ko bagotenena gukwana na kumuganiria maya Fred Okengo Matiang'i rwasi sagia au choburayi.
Tumekuja hapa kwa kiongozi wa jamii ya Wabaguzi na msemaji pekee wa jamii anaitwa Dr. Fred. Ndio kiongozi wenu. Tutembee naye tunavuta serikali kabisa. Nionyeshe kwa mkono ya kwamba hivyo nimempitisha. Asanteni sana, tutakuja kutembea tena. Thank you.
Nigo baba gukurira umusangerekano obo asensemo ya Nyamache nabo igo gokiria asensemo ya Masimba banyako bagukurira umusangerekano obo matuka atatu asorongorwa gusi ase county ibire cya Kisii na Nyamira umusangerekano moneno nyako gukurirwa asensemo ya Masimba ukugenda kwa bange bari banyako bagoswaso kubatana ukuyanga abarayi abayiga ba United Opposition bashinya ko bagochora oyo mobo iri bachunya ko bakumurwa gocyase abakenya bamachore gochunya ko bakurwania William Ruto igarucinga gicikura cyo mwaka 2027 kiranyare ko bakigoika ngori boteria getembe kurwase orongoriga orugima rwagucha Marieta Nenche Gilbert Kobi.
Mbia mono ya bene umurikitu Gilbert Kobi asengencho yoroboti uru ekero tutigarite asoroboti ronde runga bunoru abarayi bali bakwamiriria serikali nigo ritukuria rero baba bagukura etaro yabo bene asorogongo rwagusi yeirire amatuka atatu bono asibaba bagukwanira amangana au anenali arengete umugusi nagoteba buna nigo barachikubwatirana eriko ene kibuna ngo muira bale Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase kerogekyo okwana n'abamenyi b'Amasimba kurwase bunge ya Nyaribari okwana chinga kichichu nigo babeire bagotebabuna guse nigo babeire bakuburia abananchi kurwa ase chinsemecho kumubwatesia Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase ganga yaye yokurigia ekirugo cy'uburayi bwense ya Kenya umurikito Depon Asanya otwaliganirio roboti uru ase nchira y'obwikirano.
Irombe yabara baiga nigo yako musumari wo mwerio asetaro ya matukatato chinsemo aho imeyorogongo rwagusi ase margoba ya rero basanga n'abamenyi ba Masimba imeyanyari bari masaba Naboiga senkwana ya yomuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i niga muchia oboraibu wa Kenya Kwanza aseboigo atebanga nigo bwachire roche naboiga sabrekana komochia Faruku Kibet senkwana yaye yokomochia omuraibu ense omokoro omuske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Hawa ambao wao kwa uongozi waelewe hivi. Sasa imefika mahali lazima sasa tuanze kuzungumza wazi. Kwa sababu sisi tuna katiba, tuna nchi ya heshima. Rais Uhuru Kenyatta sio mtoto na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta sio mtu ovyo ovyo kutukana na watu bure kama hao. Na president era mwenye cheka vile. Some of these people insulting the president, we don't even actually know what positions they occupy in this society. Criminals, thugs, who are looting public resources, eti kazi yao wanaenda sasa kutafuta kutukana President Kenyatta, eti kazi yao ni kutukana Rais Kenyatta. Wanafikiri hiyo ndio kazi kubwa. Ama kusina mota ketego. Ngono twalimu akani lengo mantomao sekora Uhuru. Hapana.
Asense mujende siasa ye county ya Kisii nigo yabwatainse asabarai balia bakubwatesia omurai bwense bagenderera komochwa.
Sisi hapa Nyaribari bali tumesimama leo ni bali ya kihistoria. Ingawa Bible bali tunechi sokoro chita karochi ariko tenana. Chia kona amangana yule koba. Leo tumetaja kauli moja kama Nyaribari kutoka chache mpaka Masaba kwamba sisi tuko na mtoto wetu Fred Okengo.
Twagamba n'omugaka Matiang'i na Machogu tuwanjira na totale torore ng'obwata abantu abange onye Machogu okonyora tata ngongo kubwatesia naye okonyora ning'anchire naijumbwate korumagega onsubuge ochimutwe
mure tayari tubaho bugabana kubeka na muramo
asabekera mwana mingo Matiang'i chikura asobonge kapaye kubwata chikura chinyinge egera naliara bwe Kenya tomutugeke harambe.
Mimi vile unajua nilichaguliwa na UDA. Hiyo nyumba yetu imetoboka, milango imeraruka, mabati inaingiza maji. Sasa nimehama nitaingia Jubilee 2027. Nyerewa sawa buya. Abantu banyaliwa alimonsa revere. For that reason tumeke rumweka Machogu chikura chiosi pili. Wale sawa buya. Wale sawa buya. Simarati one time. Simarati.
Abaraja baigani go bakoreta yabo ya matukatato ase bunge yabo Machoge chache bo Machoge burabu bo basi naboigo eyanyalibali Masaba ase bari gukwana n'abamenyi bensemeyu asenchera yo gukwanira gusegeta eserikali azabate bambagendererete nemirubiro yokoroisia serikali enya goika omwaka ogocha obochori butarakoreka kurega se county ya Kisii eri na inkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Ndiamone yabene umurikito Dipon Asanya asengencho yoroboti ruo ugosuka bosyo egati yabamenyi bakeumbu nigo babire bakumumuchia uyo kabaire omukonyi bw'umurai bwense ya Kenya nabo igole umurai bw'ikiyama DCP Rigathi Gachagua asenkwana yaye imenya libali chache chinga kichietaro ya matuka tato na baraibande abo bakwamirilia serikali eyu yalengete umujumbe bwense meyu umusikeza irjanda echo cyale gatababuna nigo bachorete umurai utabwendereti wokwana nabaleki bamangana nigo babiri bakorokia okogechigwo kwabo na kumwigerera janda buna nigo agenderete gukora buya ase amagenderero na tibagokiri amo no nechinkwana chaye Rigathi Gachagua. Umurikito Daniel Ontiri na roboturu aso wikirano
ase taro yabarai bagopinge serikali ya matuka tato asorogongo rwobusi nkwana yo kabere omukonyi w'umurai wense oyubo igoro murai w'ikyama gya DCP umuske Rigathi Gachagua asichiro ya Kiambu imeye bunge ya Nyaribari chache nigo yagendere kungusa ibirengerero ao na manasa bamenyi asensemeyo
amweze kuongea
Gachagua asenkwana yaye nigo amachetie abamenyi ba Nyaribari chache asokomochora umujumbe Zahiri Janda asobochori waeta na kubasekereria buna nigo basinyetwe umuntu barachorora bakonye.
Nyinyi watu ya Kisii, hata nyinyi ni viongozi mumekosa. Mliangalia na mnaibu kaona mwongozo na muhindi. Sasa nyinyi Mnataka nichekelee nyinyi? Harambe
ikikirira igati yabamenyi kurwa sense meyo wesokia na korokia okogechigwo kwabo
abanyambeya saraso mutioke umbu una njomo ngene ndona akwane omongo oleke umbu ase biashara moro bina twala ko oli atindira onya tali zairi janda kanga ndola bete bina tokora baiga ekere mbule ko tuna kito ko igama zairi janda otokora ira magenderero ege ko tokosaneke igati kashagwa Ekarogo to tenga ae cousin. Igonda etengo kanye ke gusiga. Moturanzire teli ke gusina kina akane buna njomo ngina. Ekarago ja kuli sima tiangi chikura tigamuri sine njere nyororo. Tabasa kora momwe shimi omo mpyo ito sairi janda. Ase nduna banyali bali nduna to isaine. Bande ngo nyarare gasi.
Ase kwana yabamenyi abaiga nigo nonyina bo bateba mbagenderete kokera emeroberio au yemagendero nse yoborai bumosike janda nambare nekerengerio komementa matuko asoborai
ngiago soera so moindi goteba ngo moindi ne kara tu toligerereti o moindi ndu toligereti ngane kara yo moindi otokorera magenderero ogere bakati bazari tigo so agoka estimate obwate Epare to bwate mna bana chibara nje chibe kwera mi wiki etali kwera omoini na isaini kwa sasa isaini.
Kwa majina ni mama wa Kiumbu anauza sweet bananas. Mimi nimekasirika kwa ajili ya kasawa. Vile ulikuja hapa Kisii, kama unatafuta kiti yako vile unataka, usa sera zako, achana na sera za mwingine. Huyu tulimchagua kama MP wetu wa Nyaribari chache. Vyenye ametufanyia sisi ndio tunajua. Kama mimi vile naongea hivi, si kuwa na stima. Saa hii ninafinya stima, musiki kwangu ni usiku na mchana.
Onye to okora chikura gose to korigi chikura tiga torigi chikura senjerere ndonge totiga no mugako yuga kiokorira magenderere kene pine banga no mochero yu agoto in fact imechine emenga abantu bakuraranja ena abasarara bina bana gancharande ama ene ndiri mwesi miwa chandare nkore nare kogena mateka kingo mochero yingiye kendi
nkuru batirege taseni kiaga tembe korega Nyaribari chache hase kaunti ya Kisii reterane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri
Ndia mono omurikitu Daniel Ontiri asengencho yoroboti uruto gosuka bosigo chese county ya Nyamira omobunge webunge ya Burabu imeye county yu Muske Patrick Osero nigoli tukolia lero ara omoyega aboko bwatuka wechibesa chechi basari chomwa koyega wecha saboro kiwa wecha kirabalibale chi secondary waikabalibale chi college au naboigo abana boda boda ba Burabu asebono baba bakwewa chi basari chi saini chilingi chi million emerongene nanye nukta inye ase omoyego yuyu obakogo karekana ase chavisi cha NTCDF ase ebunge yu ya Burabu omabungo yu nigo airachinga kechu nakobasegeta aborokiwo bonsi ebeche skuru au kwene kibuna nkobeka barumukia elikwene kinkoimukerere bare ebirengo byechisemi ase chinseme chomuliketo Fatgad Gisemba utwaliganiriye orobotyuru
Ebunge ya Burabu eyekoragwa no Muske Patrick Osero nigo yazioririe chipasari cy'amasomo cyo chiringi chimilioni emerongo ene na isatu nekinuguta inye abwase aborokiwa bari abechi secondary chimilioni 13 kirache gutumika asibare chi university na boigo chi college au nigo babwatokeirwe chimilioni emerongo 25 ase chipasari ekyo nigo boigo ebunge eyiga ya Burabu yasirire abagendia ba boda boda abo bare emia eyemo na merongo 25 ne pasari yechiringi chiribu isano nemo ekyo para chigutumika eri banyore license yobogendia bwabo
milioni 43,469,298
aiga nigo mabunge Osero akwanire maisomarore na zeki chibunge bona Burabu bakwena na epasari yejibesa chinge hekorengani wane chinde
arama yeye anapeana 22,000 per student na wewe mbona unapeana 4,500? Does anybody have the answer? Number 1, population. Number 2, constituency kama Nairobi ati Nakuru West is in town center. Kila mtu ako na maji ya municipal, si ndio? So weki maji. Kila mtu ako na stima. Town katikati weki stima. Kila barabara zimetengenezwa na county zote ni za lami. So hiyo pesa yako yote unaweka wapi? Kwa bazari.
Poigo obasegetire abateneneri b'ekisukuru anene kurase ward area ya Kyabonyoru baeneke bona inkobeka bare mu kyamono ase amasomo ya borokigwa
2014-2015 watoto walienda university Kyabonyoru ngima walikuwa wawili tu. Imagine ward mzima. Saa hiyo Nyanziongo peke yake ilikuwa inapeleka sijui 140. Saa hii tumepanda tumefika 136. This coming year I'm challenging my principles Gaki. We must make Kyabonyoru at least 200.
Ensemo yaye omunyakirogo okepsha ime ye sub county ya Borabu aserieta Samuel Yabuga nigo aenekire buna omwaka oyo nigo aborokia abanene b'ekisukuru kya Borabu barakikobeka omukyamano eryo barike amachibu amaya asamatemwa amanene kobwa buna babere bagokorya abo maega.
As principals we shall be working hard to ensure that Borabu science Borabu has been doing well. It's among the sub-counties that it does well at the country level. But we promise this year, Mheshimiwa, that we shall double our effort. So that during your tenure, you are also recognized to have raised the standards of education in Borabu.
Omuyiga oyo nigo koreka ase chabis chinene chebunge ya Borabu abo aseboigo egati ya borokiwa abo bagendrete gokonyekana ekipasari ekyo baikirana asebarwa okoboria okyase omubunge Osero aje kubarwanirira eryo kibesa kiria cha kibwatokwe na serikali enene
tigana kiro Mheshimiwa Osero ngambi ya mono ase ngenjo bunanchi nabere beneficiary enene yekipasari kiaye wikana ikireke wangeke ibono to ikire gukora tukari school program nere yetobwate ya help kora njo Mheshimiwa gukwira na ukibunge anchamo fuatilie program eri ya ikira sokoranga ngusirego cha ndobwata a lot of challenges students because bono ega students imbaro gutanya konyora chibese chirikorwa last semester up to now na this semester antoranyora those funds pia chinde totegemete twakana chinyumba stomenyete na chinde na chitokorusi karwa toire pasiri twamenta twabeka se fees
hingo reporter Getembe koroiga kijauri yegotoka meye ward ya Nyansiongo ebunge ya Borabu county ya Nyamira Jeffatgad Hisemba
Bia mono umuriketo Fatgad Gisemba asengencho yoroboti uru ogosuka bosyo murikyo munene ase wizara yobochenu Daktari Ouma Oluga amo nababwatani bande au kurwa ase sekta yobochenu naboigo umurikyo botambe ase wizara yoboerania umuske Steven Isaboke umukonyi b'umugavana we county ya Kisii umuske Elijah Obebo naboigo umudirector boboteneneri ase wizara yobochenu James Intabo nigo batarira amagacho ye cancer center imenye county ya Kisii elikorotota okugenderera kwaye ninye gitari irabe nengenchenene ucyase abanainchi anene orogongo orwanyanza abu barachikwenyorera obugwenia ase obwange mono
When was the formation? We had a slow start.
That His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, has given us to ensure that this project is completed so that it is responding to the needs of cancer in this region. As you know, we are having a huge cancer burden in this region: cervical cancer, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, esophageal cancer. And all of this, sometimes, of course, many people go to the neighboring Tenue. Many people, as you know, go to MTRH. A lot of other people have to suffer in the buses in the night to go to Kenyatta National Hospital. And part of the decongestion is this. And from that perspective, we are also making sure that we pay for cancer care. As you know, we increased the package in the Social Health Authority so that we can make it easy for people to access care without financial burden. And we are keen to even make sure that that cost is reduced. You know that we have MOUs, that is Memorandum of Understanding, with even drug companies like Roche, where we have reduced the cost of breast cancer medicine from 120,000 to 38,000. This morning we were to meet with Pfizer again so that we reduce the cost of the medicines.
Like the PS colleague has said, my name is Stephen Isaboke. I'm responsible for broadcasting and telecoms, but I joined my colleague who is PS for Health as part of the whole of government approach. The project behind us is actually a key component of the PETA plan. And as you know, one of the commitments that was made by the 5th administration of His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, was actually universal health care. And for this region, there was a commitment to actually establish a cancer center of excellence, a cancer center for research that will then be used to actually help support our people. As you have heard from the medical practitioner himself, the PS for Health, cancer is now becoming a pandemic with the high numbers affected across the villages and across the country. And it's actually a big blessing for Kisii County and this region of Western Kenya.
My name is Professor Graham Lord and I'm representing King's College London, but also the Kenya-UK Health Alliance, which was established by presidential mandate and has been supported by your current president. One of the very early missions that we had was how do we help to address the problems of cancer care in Kenya, how do you deliver cancer care and research close to local people where it's most needed. So this is about my 3rd or 4th time in Kisii County, and it's really exciting to see this whole of government approach to deliver fundamental cancer care delivery for the people of Kisii so that they don't need to travel to other centres. And really, on behalf of the British government working in partnership with the Kenyan government, very much one of our first projects was based here in Kisii County. In fact, much of the origination of the idea of the partnership came from Kisii County.
Abaibori nigo babeire bagukurirwo bokongu igoro uyobuya bwogosomia omwana asekero yomo asabire kwene kibuna kira omwana nabekire ase skuru buna enchire yemo yokoroisia obugima bwaye hekare omoke aya nigo akwanirwe hamonere Stanley Kamande oyure omokonyi bo mu county commissioner we sub county ya Burabu oyiboigo oirire chinga kechu na gokwanira igoro y'amaberera agesiasa ayo agendete kwene kigwa ase chinsemo au bosio bobochorio bonene mu mwaka bwekiri 2025 nomo asabire kagusaba kira oyomo kwene kibuna ngokorale siasa cy'umurembe na kuboria basaye otatumikwa bobe hamo nabana siasa asokoreta Chiburaburu anene asemesangiririkano au
Stanley Kamande, ni ndio DCC wa Burabu. So tunasema ni asante sana kwa wale wazazi ambao wameungana mikono na sisi kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wote wameingia grade 10. Kwa walimu, asanteni sana for cooperating with us. Najua kuna wanafunzi wako kwa hizo shule hawana uniform, acha wasome. Tutangangana baadaye vile uniform itapatikana. Na itakuja kupatikana kimungu. So ya pili niseme ya kwamba kuna wale wanafunzi ambao walimaliza form 4 last year, baadhi yao ni hawa ambao wameingia ajira digital. Najua hii mahali haiwezi toshea kila mtu hii digital hub. Naona already tumesuspect because tumepata capacity ya kutosha. Si ndio ndugu yangu amesema hapa? So by the time we go to the next intake, so nataka kuwapa ushauri. Usikubali mtoto akae nyumbani idling. Try as much as possible upeleke mwanafunzi either akasomee those intermediate courses before labda aende university ama aende course ile nataka aende asomee computer, asomee driving, asomee kitu awe somewhere doing something baada ya kukaa nyumbani. Muda katikati ya hapa na kujoin university, hapo ndio shetani anangojea watoto, ndio anaingizwa kwa drugs, anajisahau, and then unaanza kushangaa mtoto wangu alikuwa mzuri high school, sasa tena ameingia university amegeuka amekuwa kitu kingine tofauti. So I want to encourage wale ambao wameanza masomo waendelee na masomo, ni muhimu sana. Sitaki kusema mengi, nataka tu kusema ya kwamba as you have noted political temperatures have started to raise. Tulikuwa nasema uchaguzi ni 2027. 2027 ni lini sasa? Si ni next year. So tunataka kuomba tafadhali, as we exercise our political, rights, our campaigns and everything, tukue peaceful. Na nielewa, tukue tolerant. Kenya is a
Seneta umuchore umusubati Gloria Oruoba ni gobono abiriga kureria gucha kurigia ekerugo ky'obujumbe bwe county ya Kisii asobochoria bonene buli busyo umwaka w'ekiri 2025 kagukwana kurwa ase chinsemo cyanyamache ase taro yabo ya matuka tatu ase bali bakwemereria serikali bakorabonere Dr. Fred Matiang'i umusubati Gloria ni goboigo abirika guichanira okuurwa ekerugo kya ekyobo seneta.
Mimi ndio wanasema ni mwendazimu. Evarimo pi. Asengencho, mimi ndio mwanamke peke yake alienda kuchukua huyu kiongozi wetu huko kwa airport. Simuliona? Kulikuwa na mwenda wazimu mwingine mama ama ilikuwa mimi peke yangu? Gose ninche. Nchene barimo. Lakini ninasimama na Wagusii. Na hapa Kisii tumeona women rep wa hapa Kisii anatumika vibaya. Na tumesema hiyo maneno kutoka leo kwenda mbele imeisha. Tunasema haya. Mkiniona mimi, si unaona Ruto alininyang'anya ile kiti. Akantevuna niende huko kwa sababu nimesimama na Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Sasa simutanipanguza gaki machozi Gusii. Nisimame hiyo kiti ya women rep. Haya, Nyasaye basi.
Wanchomo ligereria na boigo asomusangiririkano oyoyo nigo umusubati seneta omukoro kurwase county ya Nairobi umusubati Millicent Omanga nere nigo araria gochikorigie kerogo ky'obujumbe we county ya Nairobi asobochoria bonene obolebosyo.
Matiang'i twale koligia abangi na iririata Matiang'i twale koligia samarieta ankoro ku Millicent Omanga abange bamanyete buna mama miradi ite ngo tenene kerogo kyobo women rep igali Nairobi na tenenete 2022 nkanyora chikura 600,000 around yeye ndete. I work very hard buna bono igato bwate kiongozi Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i to work nere menta chikura chirichike million na lichira chere Fred Matiang'i abe kiongozi gege inche na tenenete ne kiombekeli kia UDA inche na alenge imemono ime lakini na maeto montoli no molimo inche ngata nonya gusianga batebi bottom up igona maete ekento keline kyobolimo igonko bosaba abana ba minto mongabere inche na maeto lino molimo mwangabeire tigangondole soko bako bali bagoteba bangabeire igo mwakera ba minto Nairobi babatebi mama miradi nere bona igo bo women rep talibo arambe
Umunene w'ikiama gia PLP umusubati Martha Karua nigo aberiga koene kibuna chinkwana nchijigokoreka gati y'abamereri be serikali erigosokya oyomo oyorachikurwanirira ekirugo ky'oburayi bwensi asobochori bole bosyo boigo nigo umurayuyu abereka goteba buna Daktari William Ruto naganiri kubwatia machiko anenekero agokora oburayi bwaye.
Hata sisi tunaona ametosha, na tukiwa pamoja na wale wengine tuungane tujikomboe. Mambo ya pili, huyu Kasongo amefanya mali ya Kenya kama yake. Sisi tunamwelezea kileta uongozi ambayo unazingatia katiba, hiyo vitu yote amenyakua ya Kenya atarudisha. Hii kesi tumetayarisha, haitakwama tena. Nataka kumuomba ndivyo tujikomboe. Chukua kura. Iko mama, iko kijana, iko mzee hajachukua kura. Tafadhali chukua kura, kuwa tayari kupiga kura, na vijana muwe tayari kulinda kura zenu. Mutazilinda. Kasongo ataenda nyumbani, hataenda? Aende nyumbani, hataenda? Hata mkituona na vyama vingi, tumekubaliana saa ya mwisho moja yetu ndio atachaguliwa kupeperusha bendera ya United Opposition, na wale wengine wote tutakuwa ndani ya hiyo serikali. Ikiwa ni ndugu yangu Matiang'i, mimi nitampigia debe vilivyo. Ikiwa ni mimi, atanipigia debe na wale wengine vile vile. Mkumbuke tulikuwa hapa na Matiang'i na Kalonzo na wengine wakati wa Azimio, na tukamwambia Kasongo si mtu wa kupigia kura. Mimi nataka kuambia asanti, wengi mlitupigia kura, lakini Kenya ilidanganywa, tukajikuta asubuhi yake tuko na Kasongo. Aende asiende? Aende asiende? Tuonyeshane one time.
Wanchumo ligereria oroboti orua ematha karua na rogotwira asense mentangani y'umutimoko ase kiunga chinsa ibere kurenda asege kagetari getambe nkoira na tole elio ngendere gukumanya to basa guskare.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalam, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chinkuma asogoko obukoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna one photography, videography, live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obukoreri ase chitent ebirugo decoration, lighting, chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobusungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Christmas number 0721217817. Hazina Siri Events, this is a surety.
Mwanchumu rigereria karibu nande asinsemo ya kabere yeke onga chinsa ibere elio ingendre gukumanya. Muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo alitukuria rero abaga koene kibuna iganga ya yenene no koene keria abanainchi amagendero abago koene kibuna chira betega kurira abanainchi nguchikirani yale ase chinsemo au gukwana kurwa asinsemo ya Kabete me county ya Kiambu chinga kichokoro tota omuroberio wobwagachi wechinyomba chirigorirense Daktari William Ruto nigaberega komochia abarai bali bakwamereria serikali asabaga koene kibuna chinga ki chinyinge nigo arachi guchitumika asogokorera abananchi amagendero natali asogokora siasa.
Hii manyumba itakuwa 9 floors. Ile phase 2 tutafanya mara 3 itakuwa 27 floors ya hapo nyuma. Nyinyi mko tayari? Nyinyi mko tayari? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Sikizeni bwana. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Hii Kenya itabadilishwa na maono, itabadilishwa na mpango. Hii Kenya haiwezi kubadilishwa na vitimbi ama chuki ama ukabila. Sisi wote ni ndugu moja. Mimi nataka niwaulize wale wanafanya kazi hapa, si ni vijana wa jamii zote wanafanya kazi hapa? Si mnataka tuungane kama taifa, tuwe jamii moja ya Kenya, tuondoe ukabila, tuondoe ubaguzi, tuondoe chuki, tuwe pamoja? Wangapi wanasema tuungane pamoja jameni? Ati mnasemaje? Ati mnasemaje? Ati mnasemaje? Ati mnasemaje? Yaani kazi iendelee? Yaani kazi iendelee? Ujenzi iendelee? Masomo iendelee? Mnasema tupeleke mambo yetu mpaka first world. So mimi nataka niwaambie ndugu zangu watu wa Westlands, mimi nikisimama hapa, mimi nafurahi sana kama rais wa nchi hii, kwa sababu Kenya inaanza kubadilika, na inabadilika kwa sababu ya ile mpango tumeweka, mpango ya kuimarisha uchumi, mpango wa kusomesha watoto wetu, mpango wa kuzalisha chakula, mpango wa kuzalisha ajira kama vile tunavyofanya katika hii kiwanja hapa leo, kuhakikisha kwamba hawa vijana wanapata riziki. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mnasema tuendelee na kazi? Tuendelee na kazi. Kwa hivyo wale wananipigia makelele, wanazunguka, sijui Kasongo, sijui one term. Mimi nataka niwaambie my friends, mambo bado, tulizeni boli. Mimi bado niko kazini. Mimi nitafungua shati, nitakaza kamba, tutaonana na nyinyi mundu humundu.
Omokonyi bumuraibwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo litukuria rero akora etaro yaye yokurutu tamagenderero anene ubwagachi bwechipara imeye bunge ya Taigania East County ya Meru gukona ekerekyo omusiki Kindiki nigo abakagote babuna serikali yense ya Kenya nigebege tomukia asoko ene kingu ikiranire amagenderero asichinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya nonye nabo nigo Professor haba agakoraga ekiara bali bonsi bagendete koleta chiburaburu asemesangirikano na goteba ensi ya Kenya nigerense y'umurembe na kuburia gutiga chiburaburu na nene umurembe kwene kiwa asemesangirikano au.
Kuna watu wanatembea huku Meru wakituletea mambo ya fitina, wakileta mambo ya fujo, wakileta ati vijana kupiganisha wananchi hapa Meru. Mimi nataka nitoe onyo ya kwamba hii sehemu ile watu ambao tunataka hapa viongozi ni watu wa kutusaidia tupate barabara za lami, tupate stima, tupate maji, tununulie watoto bus. Hiyo ndio viongozi ambao tunataka hapa. Sisi hatutaki viongozi hapa wa kukuja kupiganisha wananchi. Ati wanajifanya ni marafiki ya Wameru. Wanakuja hapa na mambo mingi, wanajifanya ni marafiki ya Wameru. Siku ile walikuwa kwa kiti, hatukuwaona kunati. waende wasiende, waende wasiende, waende wasiende, waende wasiende. Ile one way, ile ya Mpuru, waende ile ya Mpuru. Unaosedha na Kindiki, unaosedha na Mpuru, unaosedha na Ruto. Kinyaka uga ng'ara, kinyaka uga ui, kinyaka tonya mwatone. Nyinyi munataka watu wa
serikali wetera ase wizara ye kegancha ni gobono ya berege koene kibuna ni gebege tumukia bogo kinya ebirengo byechi sector au asobya bo mwananchi anene oyu obwo konyora wense gokwana bosibwe bunge ya senate ritikolerero chinga kekirana kuiraniria amabori igoro ye wizara yo omuwaziri obwe wizara yo Muske John Mbadi nigo abaga koene kibuna abasaye au bale no bolema nigo babere bago konyeka anene kurwa somoroberio onyota program.
We continue as a country to implement various interventions aimed at reducing poverty levels. The poverty headcount ratio stood at 54.9% in 2009. This has reduced to 36.1% in 2015-2016, or it reduced to 36.1% in 2015-2016, and 33% in 2019. However, due to COVID-19, in 2020, this ratio rose to 42.9%, but it has since reduced to 39.8%, the latest data that has been given. However, that is still very high, and interventions are necessary. The government has prioritized a number of programs which are aimed to reducing poverty, and some of these programs target to reduce poverty directly. For example, we have social transfers. Nyota program. I wish to state that so far 26,000 persons living with a disability have benefited from this program. We are supporting TVET institutions. We have concluded the funding of TVET together with other tertiary institutions under Higher Education Loans Board program. And in terms of capitation, I know there was challenges, but it's not that we have not provided money completely. There are challenges with the funding of TVETs, and we have got the data on how to fund, how much is needed, but because of sometimes financial constraints, we are not able to provide enough funding to TVETs, but it remains a priority. In fact, we have even received some funding. We are receiving some funding from China to support the TVET activities, and TVET is at the core of the government agenda. As we prepare the budget of 26-27, we are going to make sure that TVETs are supported in terms of capitation, because
Umuwaziri ebobolendi boime umuskones maskip chumba Murkomen nigabeire gakoene kibuna wizara yu nigo yabekiro mukia bwogokora bose bwogokora ebikorwa byabo bisa ababanyanyimbo gutumeka chinguru gwetania ekerengo gochase abananchi ukwana bosyo bwe senate umuwaziri Murkomen nigo abeire gakoene kibuna wizara yu nigo erwete amachiko au ayobwendete kubwatwa chingaki chokubanganya abo bisa babanyanyimbo.
There are those that happen as a result of police officers undertaking their duties or when they ought to perform their duties. For example, during rallies and during public protests and picketing and so forth. That is what the broad-based arrangement was trying to deal with victims of such situations where people were exercising their constitutional right, and in the process they have lost their lives. And there was a cut period of 2017 to 2025 for the process that was injuncted by courts. We hope that that process can quickly be sorted, and a consent may be recorded in court to enable this administration to do something that is unprecedented. That sometimes you find today complainers about police brutality are actually dining together with the people. They still not have answered questions on police brutality in the last administration. But be that as it may, because that is really has become the level of hypocrisy in our country. As soon as someone joins certain political wing, they are no longer being held into account. And so to avoid such situations, I decided on July 18th of July last year to give a written policies document, a directive to the IG on conditions as to the use of force and firearm by police officers, so that it can guide them when are they using their firearm, what we should do, what kind of officer should be deployed, what is the mental health status of a police officer who's being deployed, so that we don't have situations where
Napoigo omunya kirogo gwekiama gya ODM umusubati Gladys Wanga nigo atebiribuna ikiamekyo nigo kirachi kugendera gutigara ase serikali-ini ukwana kurwa ase county ya Kisumu litukulia lero ekirobaikirana ase gikaro kya baraya banene bekiamekyo omunya kirogo yu nigo atebiribuna tibali gweitia ase nchirende yonsi asokoba eserikali-ini ase barachi kugendera gutigara.
Na tutasimama imara kwa chama cha ODM nyuma ya kiongozi wetu Dr. Oburu Oginga pamoja na chama kizima. Huyo ndio kiongozi wetu ambaye tutasonga naye mbele. Na tumesema hii miaka yote tumetembea na baba Raila Amolo Odinga tukitafuta njia ya kwenda Canaan. Na hiyo Canaan tumeenda kutafuta power. Na mara hii ikifika 2027 ODM tutakuwa ndani ya serikali ama sisi wenyewe ndio tutakuwa hiyo serikali. We will be the government or we will be part of the coalition that will form the government. We are very conscious. We are extremely conscious of the matters that Baba signed on the 10-point agenda. We are extremely conscious of them. Now, on the matters of youth empowerment, we have recently joined the president here when we were giving to our young people the Nyota funds. It is not enough. We will continue to push an agenda for our young people to have jobs, to have productive jobs, and to have money in their pockets under the 10-point agenda framework. We will continue to push for our women to have meaningful businesses under the 10-point agenda. We will continue to push for devolution to be funded fully under the 10-point agenda. We will continue to push, and I know that this week the supplementary budget has come in the National Assembly. We will continue to push because the people of Kisumu suffered disproportionately during the time of demonstrations. And we will continue to push for compensation for the families that either lost loved ones or were hurt and maimed during the demonstrations. Sisi tutaskuma hiyo agenda na tuende nayo mbele. Lakini we have no regret for being part of the broad-based government. Hatuna regret yoyote. Because we can see the results of it. And moving into next year, we will strengthen ourselves as a party. We will continue with our grassroots meetings. We will continue to work in our polling stations so that our party is the strongest and the largest south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo. That work will continue. And we have given mandate to our party leader to continue with negotiations. And when we are negotiating, we will not only negotiate for positions, we will negotiate for issues that affect our people. We will negotiate for issues of our young people. We will negotiate for issues of our sugarcane farmers here in Kisumu and in the rest of this region, including the western region. We will negotiate for issues of cotton farmers. We will negotiate for issues of our fishermen in the lake to ensure that all those matters are on the table.
Wanchomo ligereria nara ikurwa seke unga chinsa ibere asobutu kubwalero ngwa kirembie muno ya bene asinge nchogo chora kuligereria Getembe TV eke unga chinsa ibere kurende nyuma ntarakora mbaro ba gutubwatia ase chinsa muche mitandao ase tole Facebook muna Getembe TV, YouTube no tole muna Getembe TV ekran kuligereria ase chinsa muche mitandao Justin Orina agonte binga nuale tuned in kurwa ase chinsa muche chama Simba McDonald Maina agote banga is watching live. Ruben Nyangau agotebanga Getembe TV watching live. Jelda Msupu agontebi live Kurugetare County. Senator Msupu. Mama Keruth from Amabiria watching live. Akavela Kenya agoteba ako locked in. Gasmiri Bogega anasema watching live Kuruchinse mochiri Chiaturwa. Freddy Oino aragotebanga is watching live kurwa alia Nyanchwa Getembe Primary. Asante sana asabali bonsi mwaberi mugotubwatia ase mitandao yetu genda guturikira ujumbe chago na boigo gututikira chi comment chago gabwa sense mu mitandao ntochietere chonsi anene asamanganaita mayali bosyo yekeunga chinsa enye tumirane yekoraga chinsa enye eli onkoretera yande asenchira yoboikera nutobatiranire ne timu ngima kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro ku Wilson Makori olokonikia eriogi ne chibicha byagwe kirebya nigakoro ku DJ Atsan ose Kevin Ongeri na inche nako yaletera yiga nigonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto twara oborigereri borobya nabo igogenda gutwara chinga kichingiya goikatumera nande yekoraga chinsa inye.
Ne, noga niko kolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha